side. Self-waxing for so many years. 1, 2, 3, 4. No scrub, just scars and tears. Little wounds and shadows stay. Pigmentation on display. New hair's growing everywhere. Looks like ingrowns in the air. Put it down, put it down, put it down. Those tweezers in your hand. You're not a pro, don't you understand? After pulling, scrub it all the way. If you don't, this is what you'll pay. People try but can't resist. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tweezers twist but scars exist. So tonight let's clap and cheer for the lesson learned right here. Put it down, put it down. Those tweezers in your hand. You're not a pro, don't you understand? Scrub it down, don't you walk away, or your skin will make you pay. Put it down, put it down, put it down. Those tweezers in your hand. You're not a pro, don't you understand? After pulling, scrub it all the way. If you don't, this is what you'll pay. I've been waxing on my own, never cared for a scrub. Little scars, hidden marks, the story adds up. Shadows on the skin remain, colors fade to gray. But tonight I'll set it free, brush the pain away.